this box of Commodore 64 stuff turned up today. Let's have a look inside. This is not the usual spot I do my unboxings, but we're still building the Commodore Computer Museum, so we'll just bear with what we've got. It's like a bunch of software. Cool. So the Commodore 64 1351 or 1351 mouse. Looks like some blank floppy disks. Oh no. Computer Gazette. Oh, okay, look at this. Computer Gazette. Printer interface. Oh, I read this book before. It's actually really good. Some Run magazines. Battle Midway. Dam Busters. Good game. Micro Prose. Rare Storm Rising. Light Pen. There's a Commodore 64 light pen. And Flexi Draw, the software for using light pen. There's a floppy disk in there. So there's geometry, fractions. Yep, software's in there. And Magic Maths. And the whole reason I brought this box of random stuff is an Icepick cartridge. Looks complete. The manual. Who remembers seeing Commodore 64 games start up with the Icepick logo? The software and the Icepick cartridge. Apparently these are very, very rare, and I saw this in the box on Trade Me, paid for it straight away. There's some really good gems in here as well, so I'm really pleased with this haul. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Actually, there was one other thing inside the box. It's Mind Shadow from Activision. I don't know this game. You have to check it out. Okay, thanks for watching.